Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I am going to explain classification of triangle. Very interesting topic. Classification means types of triangle. So, first of all, I will explain the classification on the basis of sides. First is we have scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. This is first, and this is the classification based on sides. Check from your book page number 167. Each and everything is given. So scalene triangle is a triangle in which we have all the three sides are different. So this is a triangle in which you will observe all the three sides are different. Now second classification, isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Iso word is used for two. Whenever we are talking about iso word is used for two. So in this triangle you will observe two sides are equal. Two sides are equal and third side different. So no need to cram, understand the concept. What is the meaning of iso? Iso word is used for two. So isosceles triangle is a triangle in which you will observe two equal sides. Now the third is equilateral. Equilateral. Now write down in the chat box, what do you understand by the term equi? This equi. I am waiting for your responses. Equi. Ranesh, your answer is better not correct. Yes, very good. No, Kritagya, same line means collinear. Collinear. I am talking about equi. Equi means equal. Equal. Check EQU, EQU. So equi word indicates equal. So in this triangle, all the three sides are equal. All the three sides are equal. So this is the classification. Classification means types of triangles on the basis of sides. Scalene, all the three sides are different. Iso word is used for two. So this is a triangle in which we have any two sides are equal, any two. Equi word indicates equal. So this is a triangle in which we have all the three sides are equal. Now come to the exercise 13A from your book, open page number 171. From your book, open page number 171, exercise 13A. With pencil, write down the names on your book. 13A, fourth question. A part. Write down on the book. The first one is 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. And the question is Classify triangle according to sides, that equilateral, isosceles and scalene. So write down in the chat box 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Very good, Mehak. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. All the three sides are different. All are different. So here all the three sides are different. So a triangle in which all the three sides are different is known as scalene triangle. So scalene triangle. With pencil, write down in front of A part on your book. Now come to the B part. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3. All the three sides are 6 centimeter. All the three sides. So, very good response. Yes, well done, students. So, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. So, next, C part, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So what about this C part? In the C part, it is given that 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Very good, Radhika. I saw. Two sides are equal. This is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. And third side is different. So a triangle in which we will observe two equal sides is called isosceles triangle. So first, scalene, no side equal. Second, equilateral, all the three sides are equal. Third, isosceles, two sides are equal. Now what about D? What about D part? Yes, very good, Ranesh. D part is scalene. So write down on your book with pencil. Complete all the parts D, E, F. What about E part? Yes, D and E both are scalene. Very good. D part and E part both are scalene. And F part? What about F part? Yes, isosceles. Very good. Isosceles triangle. So no need to do this question in your notebook, okay? Because very short question, with pencil, write the answers on your book, okay? And after completing, write down in the chat box we have done. Divya, what are you writing here? Very good. Now come to the next classification. Next classification is classification on the basis of angles. In a triangle, we have three sides and three angles. So one classification on the basis of sides and next classification on the basis of angles. So Harman.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Harman, tell me acute angle. What do you understand by the term acute angle?
Ma'am, the angle that is lesser than 90 degrees acute angle.
Very good. Acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. This is a acute angle triangle. So in the first classification we have acute angled triangle. You will not write acute angle. No. Whenever you will write angle with a triangle, you will use the word angled here. Acute angled triangle. So in this triangle, we have all three angles. All three angles acute. It means all three angles less than 90 degree. So this is the definition according to the acute. As the acute word meaning is less than 90. So acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree. Next is part. Yes, Pamni, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Pamni, what do you understand by the term obtuse angle?
Ma'am, the angles, ma'am, a triangle having an angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree.
Very good. Well done. Very good response. Very good. I will only involve that students in my class whose video is on. I will only ask a question from that and I will only clear the doubt of that student whose video is on. Otherwise, I will not involve you in my class. Pavani video is on. That's why I involve Pavani in my class. Otherwise, I will not involve you in my class. Obtuse. As we know that obtuse angle is an angle in which we have, which is bigger than 90 but less than 180. So in this triangle we have only one angle, only one angle bigger than 90 degree. Check. Acute, all three angles, all three angles are acute, but in obtuse only one angle, not all the three angles, only one angle bigger than 90 degree. So this is very important. Note down all three angles, each and every angle acute. But if we are talking about obtuse, then we have only one angle obtuse. So this thing is very important. Now the next is Darsh. Darsh, are you hearing me? Dash, are you hearing me? Now, Dash, tell me what is a right angle? Right angle. Yes, yes. Yes, you are audible. Very good, very good. 90 degree. Well done. So, right angle. Right angle means 90 degree angle. So, in which this is a triangle. Right angled triangle is a triangle in which we have only one angle 90 degree. Only one angle 90. And other angles are, remaining two angles are acute. Similarly, in obtuse angled triangle, one angle is bigger than 90 degree and rest two angles are acute. So, this is the concept of classification on the basis of angles. Now look, if I am talking about this, like this is a right angle. Whenever you will observe anything like this, straight lines, horizontal line, vertical line. So it means the formation of 90 degree angle. So if I am talking about this, look, diagrams are given. First diagram is this. Second diagram is like this. And the third diagram is like this. And my question is, what is the name of first triangle, second triangle, and third triangle? Diagrams are given. Tell me the name of triangle number 1, triangle number 2, and triangle number 3. Now, if you will observe straight lines like this, it means formation of 90 degree angle. Check. In first you have straight lines. Look. So here the formation of 90 degree angle. It means this is a right angled triangle. Now come to the B part. Whenever you will observe each and every corner like this in the V shape, like this, V shape. Check each and every corner in the V shape. Here you will observe V. On this corner you will observe V. Similarly on the right hand side corner you will observe V. Whenever you will observe V, this is V now. Whenever you will observe V at each and every corner, it means angle is less than 90 degree, because this is 90, this is 90 and less V, formation of V less than 90. So this is acute angle. Acute angled triangle. Now come to the third part. In the third part, one arm is moving out like this. This is 90. Whenever one arm is moving out, it means angle is bigger than 90 degree, like this. Whenever you will observe this type of figure, it means angle is obtuse and the triangle is obtuse angled. Obtuse angled triangle. Yes. Now note down this in your rough notebook. Immediately start writing. Note down. This is extra. ये भी आपको बेटा पेपर में आ सकता है. डायग्राम होगा और वो आपसे पूछेंगे टेल द नेम. So observe the diagram very carefully and write down the name of triangle. So note down in your notebook. After writing, write down in the chat box, work is done. Now come to the exercise again, 13A, third question. Third question. Write down the answers on book with pencil. Again, 13A. Question third, A part. Classify into acute angled, obtuse angled, and right angled. A part is 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Mehak, your answer is incorrect. 90 degree. 90 degree is a right angle. What is the name of 90 degree? For 90 degree, we will use the word right angle. So the name of the triangle is, as one angle is exactly equal to 90 degree and 90 degree is right angle. So the name of the triangle is right angled triangle. For 90 degree, we will also use right angle word. So 90 degree is given, it means right angled triangle is given. Now come to the B part. 60, 60, 60 degree. All the three angles are less than 90. Look here. 60 degree less than 90. Second 60 degree less than 90. Third 60 degree less than 90. All the three angles are less than 90. So it means this is a acute angled triangle. What is the reason? If in exam the question is tell the reason, then you will write in reason, as we observe, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Yes. Now come to the next. C part. What about C part? महक, how obtuse? Wait, महक. महक, मुझे लगता है आपको obtuse बहुत पसंद है. Now unmute yourself. Yes. Mahak, C part is.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. C part is 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Now tell me.
मैम वो 90 से बड़ा है 80.
80 90 से बड़ा है? क्या हो गया आज आपको?
नो छोटा है मैम.
80 is bigger than 90.
छोटा है.
80 is less than 90. This is less than.
मैम acute.
Yes.
Acute.
60 is also less than 90. 40 is also less than 90. All the three angles are less than 90. It means acute angled. And one child is writing here straight angle. Who is writing? Wait. Straight angle. Radhika. Radhika, which kind of angle is a straight angle? Yes, Radhika, unmute yourself.
मैम मुझे लगा कि 180 है, so I say this.
No, observe your question very very carefully. Triangle में बेटा 180 कभी नहीं आएगा.
पता है 180.
हाँ, this is not 180. This is only 80. Fine. So, what is the name of a
Okay.
triangle? The name of a triangle is acute angled. So, acute angled triangle. So, observe each and every question very, very carefully. Then give the answer. Okay? Now, come to the next. D part. 130 degree, 40 degree and 10 degree. Look, 130 is bigger than 90. This 130 is bigger than 90. Bigger than 90. It means obtuse. An angle which is bigger than 90 is termed as obtuse angle. So one angle is bigger than 90, obtuse. So the name is obtuse angled triangle. Now what about E part? Write down in the chat box. What about E part? Yes, Muskan. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan, what about E part?
Ma'am, acute angle.
Now tell me how. Give me the explanation. E part is 90 degree, 35 degree, 55 degree. What is the name of 90 degree?
Ma'am, right angle.
Right angle. Okay. Right angle. तो फिर ये acute angle है.
मैम वो दोनों.
बेटा दोनों को नहीं देखना, छोड़ो इसको. अगर एक 90 आ गया तो आपने इनको तो देखना ही नहीं है. इसको देखो, इसको ये दोनों को देख के आंसर नहीं करना, तीनों को देख के आंसर करना है. ऑब्जर्व ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. अगर एक भी आपको 90 दिख रहा है, एक भी दिख गया 90, तो डेफिनेशन मैंने अभी आपको करवाई नहीं. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज अ ट्राइंगल इन विच वन एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. वन, तो वन एंगल है तो है 90 डिग्री. आपने इनको क्यों देखना है?
ओके मैम.
सो दिस इज अ नेम ही इसका राइट एंगल है. तो अगर सिंगल एंगल भी हमारे पास राइट एंगल आ गया, So the name is right angled triangle. इन दोनों को देख के थोड़ी ना आंसर करना है. अगर एक भी 90 हो गया तो 90 हाईलाइट हो जाएगा, फिर 90 के बेस पे आंसर आएगा, इन दोनों के बेस पे आंसर नहीं आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the F part. F part. What about F part? Very good, Angel Preet. Very good. Very good, Mehak. F part is 92, 38 and 50 degree. Look. Check all the angles very, very carefully. This is obtuse. तो इसको तो अब हमने देखना ही नहीं बेटा. One angle is obtuse. It means we will assign the name on the basis of this obtuse. So the name of this triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So observe each and every part very, very carefully. If all the three angles are acute, all three acute, then the name is acute angled. But अगर आपको single angle भी obtuse दिख रहा है, then the name is not acute, then the name is obtuse angled triangle. So this is the way to answer all the questions. So mainly we have classification. Priyanshu. Yes. Priyanshu, tell me the classification on the basis of sides.
Basis of
Sides. Tell me the name of triangles on the basis of sides.
sides. मैम जिसकी सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं वो इक्वेटरल ट्रायंगल होता है. जिसकी टू साइड्स से इक्वल होती हैं और एक अलग होती है वो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल होता है.
Yes, well done.
जिन तीनों सेम नहीं होती वो स्केल में होता है.
Well done. Very good. Yes, well done. So this is the classification on the basis of sides. Next is Lavanya, 5th D. Lavanya. Kritagya, unmute yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Kritagya, what is the name of a triangle in which we have one angle is 90 degree?
Right angle.
Right angle?
Right angled triangle.
Yes, angled. Angled word is very much compulsory. Angled. Right angled triangle. Very good. So, today, revise homework is from the page number 167, write down 68. Revise classification. Revise classification very carefully. And no need to write down this classification in your notebook. No need. As the classification is already well explained in your book. So no need to note down in your notebook. Fine. And next properties we will do tomorrow. Okay. Bye-bye.